welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first drawing video uploaded to my new channel. This was taken from my main channel, which was drawn back in 2018. Like I said in my previous video, which was my first video uploaded to this channel, I wanted to re-upload and move to a separate channel for my drawing videos and DIYs, because just in case there's someone out there that wants to focus on those videos rather than the other type of videos that I'm used to creating, I want to separate those types of videos and that content that goes with it. Some of the tools that I'll be using in this video are Crazy Art and Crayola color pencils, Ticonderoga pencils, and then this sketch pad from the Dollar Tree. In this video, I did draw Anastasia and Nicholas II from the animated movie Anastasia in 1997. Well, I didn't draw it in 1997. I drew it in 2018, but it is from 1997, the movie. This is one of my favorite animated movies of all time, and also my favorite princess movie of all time. Not to get it twisted with Disney, because this is not a Disney princess movie. This is a 20th century Fox movie. So just to give you a little background on Anastasia, the movie, if you've never seen this movie, if you've never even heard of it, so this movie is basically about an evil wizard Rasputin who put a spell on the royal Romanovs, and Anastasia was young at the time that it happened. She disappeared and she ended up becoming an orphan. Years later, these two guys, one of whom she will fall in love with in the movie, decided to scheme to find someone who looked close enough to Anastasia to pull off Anastasia for the grandma, so they can receive the reward that she was offering for Anastasia's return. So eventually, you know, when push comes to shove, everything just came back and fell into place. So I don't want to give any more spoilers out if anyone found that I did just give some spoilers out. Comment down below and let me know your favorite princess, whether that be a 20th century Fox princess such as Anastasia, or a Disney princess, or any type of princess from a TV series or a movie or a TV show that you have been watching. Let me know and comment down below. Now let's end this commentary, because it's not my background story, and play some music instead.